Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get promo code on Epic Story of Monster. So, first thing you can do is search on Google Epic Story of Monster promo code. Then you can open this Reddit page. And now if you scroll down a bit, you can see that people are sharing promotional promo code regularly here, so you can read it from here. And the other thing you can do is go to a website called Gamers Power. This website shares promo codes of different games and giveaways that you can use. So simply search here Epic Story of Monster promo code and you will get once they release some promo code for this game. So that's all you can do to get promo codes for this game. If you want this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.